Google News. Yeah, I made this money right here using Google News, and I'm going to show you step by step in this video on how I did it. So make sure you stay tuned in this video to the end, because if you skip any part of this video, you're not going to learn how you're going to make the money. Now let me refresh my screen right here so you know this is not some kind of a fake money or screenshot or whatsoever. It's loading right here. While it's loading, don't forget to subscribe. It's loading. Boom, it has loaded. Now as you can see right here, it's still intact, $96.0 US. Now I'm going to show you step by step, like I said, on how I made this money using Google News, like you've seen in the title. Let's get right into this video. Now I'm gonna, like I said in the intro, I'm gonna show you how you can make money with Google News. Follow me step by step. This video is not going to be a long video. I'm just going to go straight to the point. Now the first step is actually heading over to Google's News website. This is Google News website here. If you want to head over to the website quickly, just type in Google News on your search bar, enter, and this one right here, the first link on Google search engine is Google News. Click on it, and Google News is simply a website where you can get the latest news in your country. Yeah, about your country, wherever you're going to stay, you get the latest news on your country, about your country, what's happening in politics, health, technology, entertainment, sport, or science. Now after you've head over to Google News website, the next step is actually choose from a category of news. Now I'm going to go straight to the category of news I used, and it is actually the health niche. This health right here. You're going to click on health right here. Now as you can see, these are health news in the country. Like my country right here, say the yellow fever, Nigeria report 14 deaths in 10 states. Know all about monkeypox. Now you head over to mental health. What we are simply going to do is we're going to copy an article from Google News, change the words in that article, and submit it to a website that is going to pay us. I'm going to show you the website that is going to pay us in this video, so stick right to the end. The website that paid me that money, I'm going to show you the website that paid me that money. So stick right to the end and watch it step by step so that you don't miss any step and go out and do things for yourself. Now as you can see, say insurance leaders order to brainstorm on workplace mental health. That does not sound like a good article to use. Like this one, say what to say to co-workers who is having mental health. This is a very good article to use. So I'm going to click on it. While I click on it, it's going to open a page. Boom. Now that this page is open, what you're going to do, you're going to copy all the text of the news in this article. While it's loading, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Now it's loaded up. What you're going to do, you're going to click on just copy all the text, the news in this article. You copy it. You don't necessarily copy all of them, just copy most of the words there. I'm going to stop here. And copy. Yeah, copy. Now that you've copied an article from Google News, you can choose any article, whether this one or any other article you feel that is good in the health niche. After you've clicked on it and copied all the articles on the website or some of the articles on the website, you're going to head over to Spinbot. This is Spinbot right here, Spinbot. And what Spinbot is going to help us do is rewrite the article for us, because we don't want to submit a copyrighted article. You know, when we copy the article from Google News, it's actually a copyrighted article, but we're going to use Spinbot to help change the words in the article so it's not like copyrighted. So you head over to this text right here and click on Control V. Oh, it seems I didn't copy this one right here. Let me copy it again and move right here and click on Control V. Yeah, now you're going to click on basic spin. Yeah, why is spinning? Okay, it's done. It's actually fast. Now it's done. As you can see, the articles are suddenly different. It's reaching out the right way. This one started from as of late ASAN, your consistently dependable and reliable partner has begun to fail. It's totally different from the words that are here. So what you're going to do, you're going to copy everything that is in this article right here. You're going to copy everything. You click on Control A, then Control A, then Control C. After you've done that, now we're not going to head over to the website that's going to pay us, which is this website right here called Eating Well. Eating Well is like an health website in the health niche. They deal with health products, health article. You can submit health articles on the website and get paid by Eating Well. So what you're going to do, you're going to look for their email. Yeah, this is the email right here. Okay, it's actually their magazine subscription service. So let us look for Eating Well email. Okay, this is actually it. You're going to copy this one right here, magazine subscriptions customer service. You're going to copy this email right here and head over to your Gmail, click on compose, and you're going to paste the email right here. Head over to Spinbot and copy our article again, copy, and head over to your Gmail back, click Ctrl V, submit the email, and now the subject of email should be article submission. Then you're going to click on send. Now after you click on send, if the article is accepted, you're going to be asked to submit either your PayPal email or your bank account. Either of the two, which one, anyone you have, you can submit. I submitted my PayPal mail. You can submit your bank account or your Payoneer, anyone, and you're going to get paid, ranging from $100 to $1,000. So that's it. It's as easy as that. Don't forget, head over to Google News, log in with your Gmail, head over to the health niche, head over to mental health, either mental health or anyone, either medicine, healthcare, mental health, nutrition or fitness. You can use between mental health, nutrition or fitness. Copy any article right here, head over to Spinbot, paste your article, let Spinbot write the article for you. Head over to Eating Well, copy their mail, or you can also do some research and look for a website that is similar to Eating Well that pays you to paste articles on their website. Copy their mail, head over to your Gmail, paste, submit the article for them. After you've submitted the article, if it's accepted, you're going to be asked for your PayPal mail or your bank account, and once they receive it, you're going to get paid. It's as simple as that. Now if you've gotten value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and if you like this video, you're definitely going to like the two that are showing up in your screen right now. Make sure you click those videos and watch it. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be very quick to answer you. And with that said, I'll see you in my next video. Let's go. Peace.